Ready to unlock awesome skins, textures, and worlds in Minecraft on your Switch? Let's get those Minecoins loaded. First things first, power on your Nintendo Switch and navigate to the Minecraft game icon. Go ahead and select it to launch the game. Wait for Minecraft to fully load. This might take a few seconds, so just be patient. Once you're in the main menu, look for the Minecraft Marketplace button. It's usually located towards the middle of the screen. Click on it to enter the marketplace. Now, within the marketplace, you need to find the redeem option. It might be labeled as redeem code, use gift card, or something similar, but it's usually located at the top right of the screen. Select it. A new screen will appear prompting you to enter your Minecoin gift card code. Carefully type in the code exactly as it appears on the card. After entering the code, confirm it. You should see a confirmation message showing the amount of Minecoins you're about to add to your account. Confirm the transaction. And that's it. Your Minecoins are now loaded, and you can start browsing the marketplace for cool new content to enhance your Minecraft experience. Happy building!